Many people are fascinated by space travel, and whether or not life exists on other planets. What do you think?
I think it's only a matter of time before we find life on another planet.
And NASA is busy with several new projects, including sending a solar probe to the sun. So incredibly cool. Here with details on that and how you can see a meteor shower this weekend is Mike Hennessy. He is the project manager at Buell Planetarium. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me on today.
Yeah.
This is so neat.
You brought us some pretty cool toys to work with here, some tools.
Yeah, this is an exciting weekend for space travel. Early in the morning on Saturday, NASA is sending the Parker Solar Probe on a 7-year mission to the sun, to the outer atmosphere of the sun.
Okay.
Much closer than anything has ever traveled before.
I just don't understand that. Now, and how fast it goes is unbelievable.
Yeah, it's moving at a speed approaching 500,000 miles per hour at the height of its mission. So imagine getting from Cleveland to Pittsburgh in under 1 second. That's how fast this thing is traveling. And it's going to be studying the electricity and magnetism of the sun, so we can learn more about when the sun gets cranky and shoots out solar winds and space weather and how it affects our electricity here on Earth.
And I think some folks would even say that even as impressive as that speed is, just it being able to get that close to the sun and not just fall apart with everything that comes.
Up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
how
testament
does it not
to
burn up?
It's really a testament to the marvel of the engineering and the carbon compounds and the aluminum compounds that they've designed to let it withstand those temperatures. So
is it taking any pictures of the sun, or is it just like taking data?
It is taking some visible light pictures through one telescope. Most of it is data about the electrical and magnetic fields, though.
So neat. Okay, so what did you bring us?
We brought along some toys. So we've got an Earth right here, if you want to check that out. We've embedded a magnet inside, and you can see we've got paper clips sticking on the north and south poles of our little Earth there. So
had to figure out where we are now.
Which was the right way?
Yeah, I had to figure that out for just a second. I was like, it's up, but there we go.
Yep,
okay. Right there.
So the Earth has a north and south pole. The sun is a little more complex. So we brought along a sun, and we have some paper clips here. And this is where you can just feel free to
Is the sun
find
flat?
what's magnetic.
Some people, I'm just kidding.
Oh, no, the sun is quite spherical.
Okay. We have a half sun.
You can actually fit 1 million Earths inside the sun.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah, we saved on props there. But yeah, the real sun is quite spherical.
Oh, I found some. And now, is this really where and what would this be? This is like the...
Well, so we're sticking where there would be sunspots. Those are like cold magnetic clumps, and they're always changing on the move, the number, the size, where you'll find them on the sun. It's a dynamic and active star, and that's part of why we're sending missions like the Parker Solar Probe to study it. Yeah.
Daryl, you're going to have some cleanup. Sorry.
I did bring a fun way, though, that we can see ourselves.
Right.
So I brought along an infrared camera today. There are telescopes on the ground and in orbit that look at the sun in infrared and even look at the Earth in infrared.
So cool.
And so I brought along an infrared camera that will let us see things that you can't see with your own eyes.
Okay, so we're supposed to cover up, right?
Well, I'll tell you what. First off, let's take a look at you guys with the camera.
My bad.
All right, I don't know what was happening.
Yeah, so you can see you guys have your body heat, and we're representing that with some colors right there.
What are you doing?
Why is my nose so dark?
So that would just mean your nose is colder.
I am really cold.
Than other areas of your face,
You are not, Ron. Your ears are cold.
I am. Well, my ears are very cold.
Okay.
What we're going to do now is make you guys disappear. So we're going to have you take that trash bag and just place it in front of yourselves. You've totally disappeared in visible light.
Wow.
But in the infrared camera.
Okay.
And
well, but not really.
Yeah, we can see right through there. So
you know, if I'm making funny faces.
we can still
That's awesome.
You can still see
yeah, you can still see.
Okay.
You're not fooling anyone there.
So we can use infrared light to look right through the clouds to measure our climate on Earth, or even to look out into space and cut through interstellar dust and discover new stars.
Wow.
Awesome.
Fun stuff.
That's really interesting. And there's something really cool happening right now, too, because people can come out and see a meteor shower.
Yeah, absolutely. The Perseid Meteor shower is at the height of its peak this weekend. When you look up in the sky, it looks like it's coming from the constellation Perseus. That's where it gets its name. But it's really debris from a comet.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah, great image. The comet Swift-Tuttle going around the sun. We pass through its debris field every year, and those meteors streaking through the sky give us that beautiful shower. You can actually come down to our Skywatch this weekend. That's the best way to see it. We've got a Skywatch tomorrow night, Saturday night at 8 and 10 p.m. at Carnegie Science Center to
If someone has a telescope at home, what can they do? What direction should they shoot to try to see it themselves?
So they should look toward the constellation Perseus in the night sky, or even just head outside if if they want to head out a little farther away from the city and just head outside and give themselves time for their eyes to adjust, that's just another great way to do it, is see it with your eyes without a telescope.
Okay, that's what I was going to ask. And you say get away from the city because lights can have an effect. You won't be able to see it.
Yeah, Monday's going to be a great day for that, Monday. But Saturday night, rain or shine, we'll be having a great sky watch. And even if it rains, we'll be able to show you guys the stars in the Buell Planetarium.
Okay, so we see these meteors flying through the air. Do they ever enter Earth's atmosphere when we enter this period?
They do. So it's debris from the comet. It enters our atmosphere, streaking through the sky.
These are shooting stars, so you can have a wish.
Stars.
Well, right, but I'm just wondering if they come crashing onto buildings or something. You know?
Most of the time
they burn up in the atmosphere.
Okay, good. Okay.
Very small, and but they're gorgeous when they, So then you have to make a wish, right?
Like 15,000 of them. How many pieces fall into the atmosphere?
Quite a few. At the height, you might see one every minute or so if your eyes are well acclimated.
Right.
Most of them will burn up in the atmosphere. The minute they do come down to Earth, we call them meteorites.
Right. And just like you said, you don't need anything. You can just use your plain old eyes.
Absolutely. So.
Yep.
And you mentioned people can come out to the planetarium. So do you guys have like a watch party? You have any other events going on surrounding this?
Yeah. So our Sky Watch will be our watch party. That's tomorrow night at Carnegie Science Center, and you'll be able to.
Members get in free, or how does that work?
Yeah. So it's actually only $4 a person, $2 if you're a member.
Okay.
And if you have your own telescope, you can actually come for free and share that with other folks too.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
And we'll have shows going on in the planetarium all night too. So.
And how's the weather looking for Saturday night?
I wish I could say it's looking great. We have been looking at clear skies late in the evenings and in the overnight hours. Tomorrow night, though, we still have that boundary around. I think along I-70, you're probably going to have more cloud cover. I-80, though, especially north of there.
Right.
Pretty good visually for what's going on. And I think here in the city actually would be pretty good too.
Okay, good.
And that's the beauty of the planetarium, though. We can always do a virtual reality star show for you, rain or shine. So.
That is true. That is true. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. So cool. And of course, there are all kinds of fun things to do at the Carnegie Science Center. You can find more upcoming events online. We'll have a link posted for you at kdka.com/PTL. You're not going to throw those at me, are you?
No, I wasn't going to throw them at all.
Just making the meteors come down. There's no magnets up there. Look at